Hi, good day. This is Ken Lau. In this video, we'll learn how to create a scrollable table. So suppose that you have a long list of data here, and if you create a chart, it will be a bar chart like this, right? But what if I can just zoom in, right? Just look at the first 10, then the second 10, or just progressively move towards the right. We create how do we do that, right? Is that we create a scrollable table, and then from there we create a chart. So the first step is creating this, and we're going to use the offset function, right? The offset function start from cell B2, and then it's related to this cell here 1. So that means that from here it moved up by 1 row differences, and this one, right, it start from B3, it moved up by 1 row differences, and this one B4, it start from B4 and moved up by 1, so and so on. So that's using the offset function, and we'll also use the this scroll bar, right, to help doing that. So let's see what it means, right? This is called scrollable table and chart. But you can see that it's not moving, right, one by one. So it's like this window is keep moving to the right as you scroll. See? And not only that, using the same method, we can also create a line chart, right? We just create it. You can see that the line is still moving and so on. And we can use the index functions to achieve the same result. Is keep moving, and that once you master the offset function and the index function, you apply it to dashboard. So that is what you're going to learn, right? The scrollable table. And thanks for watching. Come for our class. We will teach you how to use the offset, index, and many other functions, right, in our Excel function and formula class in Malaysia. Thank you.